In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page to another project in Canva. If you've ever built a great page in one Canva design and then realized you want to reuse that exact page in a completely different project, this process can save you a lot of time. Like instead of rebuilding everything manually, Canva gives you a much easier way to bring an existing page into another design while keeping the layout editable. To begin, open Canva and go to the project where you want the page to appear. This is important because you want to start from the destination project, not the original one. So from your Canva home screen, find the design you want to add the page into and open it first. Once that file is on screen, you're in the right place to import the page. Now look over to the left side of the Canva editor. In the main sidebar, click on Projects. This opens a panel that gives you access to your saved Canva files. Think of it as the bridge between your current design and the project that contains the page you want to copy. Inside that projects panel, locate the source design file. You can use the search bar at the top if you know the project title, or browse through your designs section if that's easier. When you find the correct file, click on it once. Canva will then show you the pages from that design right inside the side panel, which makes it easy to choose exactly what you want to bring over. Next, find the specific page thumbnail you want to copy into your current project. Once you see it, click on that page. Canva will automatically insert it into your open design as a new editable page. In most cases, it appears right after the page you currently have selected, so keep that in mind if you want it to land in a certain spot. After the page is added, take a moment to review it carefully. This is especially helpful if the two projects use different dimensions, branding, or layout spacing. If anything looks slightly off, use Canva's alignment guides and snapping tools to adjust the elements. A quick check here can help make sure everything looks clean and consistent. Once the page looks right, you can lock the layout if needed to avoid moving important elements by accident. Select the page or the elements you want to protect, then use the lock option in the top toolbar. And that's it. You've successfully copied a page from one Canva project into another without rebuilding it from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.